how to sync gallery with Google Photos. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to sync gallery photo with Google Photos. To do this procedure, you have to follow the simple steps. To do this procedure, you have to make sure that you already have a Google Photos account. And along with that, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up your gallery. What you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Photos. When you open up your Google Photos, now you want to go ahead and press the profile from the top right. And then you want to go to backup. Once you go to backup, now click or toggle the button that says backup. So currently I've turned it off, but if you want to go ahead and turn it on, just click the turn on button. And this way your photos will be synced from gallery to Google Photos. So this is the simplest way of doing it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.